Title: Parkinson's Disease Beware, Bayer's Cell Therapy Knocking at the Door. TLDR. Bayer, the pharmaceutical titan, is sparking hope with its new cell therapy for Parkinson's disease. After an initial trial, the results have the science world buzzing and Parkinson's sufferers crossing their fingers. No miracle cures or magic pills here, just hard science making strides. If you ever wondered if we are living in the future, this might be your answer. A beacon of hope has lit up in the medical field, as Bayer's cell therapy for Parkinson's disease shows promise in its preliminary trials. With an aging global population, the fight against neurodegenerative diseases is more important than ever, wouldn't you agree? Parkinson's disease, a chronic and progressive disorder that affects movement, shakes up the lives of millions worldwide. Currently, there are treatments to manage the symptoms, but no definitive cure. Can you imagine the difference a potent therapy would make in the lives of those affected? Enter Bayer, a German multinational pharmaceutical and life sciences company. Known for its foray into various fields of science, Bayer isn't afraid to dive headfirst into the unknown. They've been working on a cell therapy that aims to treat Parkinson's disease more effectively, and if the early trial results are any indication, they might just be onto something. Remember folks, we're not trying to oversell this. It's an early trial and there's still a long, uncertain road ahead. But that doesn't mean we can't get a little excited about the possibilities, right? After all, it's the first glimmers of hope that lead to the biggest breakthroughs. The trial involved a detailed process of cell therapy, a treatment that uses the patient's own cells to fight off the disease. The results were optimistic, but as they say in the science world, correlation does not imply causation. Further studies will be needed to conclusively determine if the treatment is the game changer we hope it is. Bayer's ambition is nothing new. This is the company that gave the world aspirin, after all. But if they pull this off, they might be changing the landscape of medical science forever. Think about it, a world where Parkinson's is no longer a life sentence, but a condition that can be managed, maybe even reversed. For all those living with the disease and their families, wouldn't that be an amazing reality? But for now, we're left with this enticing peek into what could be the future of Parkinson's treatment. We can only watch as Bayer marches forward on this journey, tackling each challenge as they come. Disclaimer: this article isn't meant to serve as medical advice or an endorsement of Bayer or its products. Please consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making decisions regarding your health. As the curtains close on this episode of Scientific Wonder, we leave you with a thought: if this therapy does prove successful in later stages, how would it transform the face of medical science and healthcare worldwide? And what other diseases could be next on the list for a breakthrough cure? Share your thoughts, and let's spark a conversation.